I'm joined now by Jordan from HomeLink, who's going to tell us a little bit more about what it is they get up to, including a bit about sustainability and safety in the home. So Jordan, thanks for joining me.
No worries, thanks Louise. Yeah, so I'm part of HomeLink, who are a sister company of Aico. We were acquired by Aico a couple of years ago now, and that means that we can bring into the fire and life safety offering that Aico provides the environmental monitoring as well. Obviously for construction it's really important that not only are we providing fire and life safety to the people that move into the properties, whether it be new build or retrofit, but also moving forward we want to make sure that our properties are really sustainable, going towards net zero targets by utilising the information that we can collect using some of our sensors. If I bring over here.
Yeah, we'll come all the way over here, have a little look. It's great to see some of these new technologies.
Yeah, absolutely. So the mainstay of our solution is the gateway, and that's what collects all the information from the property and sends it up into the cloud so that we can show it onto the website. And then we have a variety of different fire and safety devices for anything from carbon monoxide to make sure that any gas boilers are working correctly, or gas cookers, all the way to smoke and heat alarms to make sure that obviously there's no fire in the properties and keeping people safe. But then the real innovation is the environmental sensors. So we can monitor with that little box temperature, humidity and indoor air quality as well. So that's a really powerful little device that's going to allow us to identify things such as damp and mould, poor indoor air quality, anything from dust mite allergens, all the way through to cold homes, people living in fuel poverty and everything in between.
Wow. Oh, I mean, there's a lot to take in there, isn't it? Obviously, the fire safety side of things, that's been around for years and years and years. We understand the importance of that. Adding in the sustainability level, obviously, it is a really crucial topic at the moment. Why should people be looking at investing in something that's going to start monitoring them?
So it's because we need to understand how improving the insulation or improving the thermal efficiency of a building is going to help reduce energy bills and therefore improve the carbon footprint of a property. By looking at the heat loss of a home, so looking at the indoor temperature through our devices, and then we use external weather sources to look at the amount of heat that is lost through walls of a property. That means that we can give you a landlord or a resident the ability to understand how thermally efficient their homes are, and therefore understand what technologies, what retrofit, what other providers here today might be able to do to somebody's home to improve that thermal efficiency, or whether it be external wall insulation, or maybe it's just solar PV, which is going to be the best thing for them to get towards net zero. We can help educate and inform on that decision making.
Amazing. So actually it's helping along the sustainability route, but also in that carbon footprint, but also around money saving as well, especially at a time such as now.
Yeah, absolutely. This winter is going to be very painful for a lot of people. So if we can get these sensors in now, we can help understand, whether it be the landlords or the residents themselves, understand which room is a problem, and that needs additional looking at, whether it's investment or now or looking at to do something in the future. And for people to make sure that their residents and the people that they are looking after aren't living in fuel poverty, aren't living in cold homes, aren't having to stretch to heat their homes, or are doing something that's detrimental to the fabric of the building by, for example, turning off the heating in one room, because that can be detrimental to the health of the resident and also to the fabric of the home, because it can increase the odds of damp and mould, for example. So it's a win-win situation for everyone involved.
Yeah, it's super interesting, because we are hearing a lot about, turn the heating off here, turn the heating off there, but actually sometimes that might be detrimental.
Absolutely.
And I guess more costly for people.
Yeah, it is. So on average, if you turn the heating down across your entire home, rather than just turning it off in one room, it will actually cost you less because the heat will still go into that room, so you're losing that heat into that room that you've turned the heating off in. So actually just reducing the overall temperature across the house is actually a better way to save money. And again, that's something that we can educate on.
Wow. Oh, it's just amazing to hear about some of these technologies and innovations. So thank you so much for creating them and providing them here at UK Construction Week. And now I've got to ask Jordan, we are here. Are you having a good day so far?
Absolutely, yeah. It's been a really good turnout. We're only in the first hour and there's already a lot of people around. It's been fantastic.
Why is it important then that you're here?
I think, as I already said, there's a lot of people here who are going to be providing the final solutions to the problems that we can inform upon. So that combination, that synergy is really important. There's a lot of people here that are going to be in the construction business and building new homes, so ensuring that those homes are getting the best in fire safety and the best in environmental monitoring is why we're here, and making sure that those people know about us and our products.
Brilliant. So it is joining the dots and connecting with people, which is what Construction Week is all about.
Absolutely that, yes.
Jordan, thank you very much.
Thank you, Louise. Cheers.